Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and we've got a couple of glitches to talk about as well. So before we get started, I do want to say Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, everybody. I do believe this is the very first time that we have had a Sunday new coupons video on Christmas morning. Now, I do have a quick Christmas favor to ask of you all this morning because the Sunday new coupons and glitches videos, those haven't been doing too hot over the last few weeks. I'm not sure if it's just because of the holidays rolling around or what is going on exactly, but either way, a few thousand of you are still watching the Sunday videos and clipping your coupons with me. So if you guys want to see these videos stick around, please do not forget to hit that thumbs up button and leave me an emoji, a smiley face, a Christmas tree, a Christmas present down in the comment section below. Because like I always say, those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And even though there are still a few thousand of y'all out there who watch the new coupons videos on Sunday, it really does make a huge difference if you guys hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile or some type of emoji or some kind of comment in the comment section down below. So if you guys could, do me a quick Christmas favor and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and leave me a comment down in the comment section below. And then if you have an extra second, go ahead and click on that share button and share the video. Even if it's just to yourself in a text message or an email, just click on that share button really quickly for me, all right? Now, let's go ahead and jump right into these coupons, shall we? All right, so first up, let's take a quick look at our insert schedule. Today is December the 25th, and we will not be receiving any new inserts today. But next week is going to be a great week for inserts, so go ahead and get ready. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons. So of course, go ahead and clip your file of 25 for Saturday. Next up, we have a 2-off-1 for the Suburban bath tissue. This is on the 18 count mega rolls. Those are priced at $16.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $14.25. And then we have a 3-off-1 for the Bounty paper towels. This is only 8 double rolls. Those are priced at $21, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $18. The Vicks is an older coupon, so we're going to skip over that. This next one, I'm not sure if I'm going to clip this one to my account just yet. It's a 1-off-2 for the Febreze products. These are priced at $3.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50 for 2. Now, we do have a new gain coupon this week, so, you know, it's still kind of up in the air whether I'm going to clip this one to my account or not, so just take that into consideration. It doesn't expire until January the 7th, though. Alright, next up we have a 1-off-1 for the All and Snuggle products. A lot of these are on sale this week for $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. However, this coupon is also working on the white bottles, the All Free and Clear liquid laundry detergents. Those are priced at $3.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. So that's a pretty good deal. Next up, we have a 2-off-1 for the Gain laundry products. Those are priced at $7.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. Next up, we have a DG store coupon. It's save $2 when you spend $6 on Vaseline, Simple, and Suave products. Now, the best deal that I can find so far is on the Vaseline lotions. Those are priced at $4 each. So if you pick up 2, that's going to put you at $8. We have this $2 off coupon, plus we have a $3.50 off 2 manufacturer coupon. So both of those will stack, and that's going to leave you paying $2.50 for 2 of the Vaseline lotions. So pretty good deal there. Moving on down, we have a 1-off-1 for the Angel Soft bath tissue. So these are priced at $5.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.95, and that's on the 8 count. Next up, we have a $1.50 off one for the Dove body wash or the 3 count bar soaps. So the 12-ounce body wash, those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. Or you can pick up the 3 count bar soaps. Those are priced at $4.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25. Not a bad deal for Dove. Next up, we have a 2-off-1 for the Mucinex and Delsum products. If you want to pick up the 4 count Mucinex, those are priced at $4.65. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.65. Now, next up, we have a $3.25 off 2 for the Mr. Clean products. So this is basically a buy one, get one free coupon. And I'm going to go ahead and tell you all, I have seen the new P&G inserts, and this is going to be the last P&G insert ever. And it's a really, really good one. We have quite a few buy one, get one free coupons in that insert, and I do believe that comes out next Sunday. So if you get inserts in your area, you definitely are going to want to pick up a newspaper next week. So anyways, back to this coupon. Buy one, get one free. The Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaners are $3.25. That's going to leave you paying $3.25 for 2. So awesome deal there. Next up, 1-off-1 for the Tide Simply. Those are priced at $8.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $7.25. We have a 1-off-1 for the Downy products. A lot of those are on sale right now for $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. We have a new 3-off-1 for the All and Purex laundry products. So those are priced at $9.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7.50. All right, we're going to skip over a few of these right here. Next up, we have a 2-off-1 for the Tide laundry products. Those are priced at $9.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7.95. We have 50 cents off for the Maxwell House Coffee, 25 cents off for the Ajax and Fabuloso products. So the cheapest thing that you can pick up with this coupon is on the Ajax dish soap. Those are priced at $2.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2. The next step up from that is the Fabuloso multi-purpose cleaners, and those are priced at $3.50. Next up, we have a $5.90 off too for the Downy In-Wash Scent Beads. So those are priced at $10.95 each. After the coupon, you're going to pay $16 for 2. So if you do want to pick that up, that would be great to throw in with a 5 off $25 deal. Next up, we have a 2-off-1 for the All and Snuggle liquid laundry detergents and fabric softeners. This is on the big bottles. Those are priced at $8.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $6.50. We have a 1-off-1 for the Always Discreet. If you want to pick up the 26 count liners, those are priced at $3.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. Then we have a 2-off-1 for the extra laundry detergents. Again, this is on the big bottles. Those are priced at $11.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $9.75. Moving on down, we have a 1-off-1 for the Sparkle paper towels. This is on the 10 count double rolls. Those are priced at $11.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $10.95. Then we have a 1-off-1 for the All liquid laundry detergent 141 ounce bottles. Those are priced at $13. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $12. And up next here is our quick little glitch for the week. We actually have one more that we're going to talk about. This is a 2-off-1 for the Vicks DayQuil or NyQuil products. It does exclude the trial or travel sizes. So this is working on these small bottles, the 4 ounce bottles. Those are priced at $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Next up, we have a 2-off-2 for the Werther's holiday candies. So these are priced at $3. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 2. Moving on down, we have a 2-off-2 for the Pedigree Dentastix products. Those are priced at $4.65. All right, now next up we have a really awesome coupon. It's a 1-off-1 for the Believe Beauty Cosmetics. Now this coupon is working on a lot of different products. You guys have a lot to choose from. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the nail polishes that are priced at $2.65. We also have a 4-way nail buffer priced at $2.65. And then we also have the fingernail clippers that are priced at $2.65. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.65. However, we do have a better deal if you want to pick up the black sanding block. So it's kind of like a little nail file. Those are priced at $1.65. After the coupon, you're going to pay just 65 cents. So some really good little glitches there with that coupon. And next up, here's another really good deal for this week. We have save $2 when you spend $10 on Dr. Pepper products. This does include the 2 liters, the 6 packs, and the 12 packs. So this week at DG, we have the 2 liters that are on sale, 3 for $5. So if you pick up a total of 6, use this coupon, you're going to pay $8 for 6 2 liters. Great deal. Now, if you want to pick up the 6 packs, those are on sale, 3 for $10. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $8 for 3. Or if you want to pick up the 12 packs, those are on sale, 3 for $12. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $10 for 3. So a really good deal there. There is another 2-off-2 for the Werther's holiday candy. And last but certainly not least, we have a new Gain DG store coupon, and this one is a 5 off 20. So that is some really good news. I'm really glad to see this coupon back. Now, it does expire on January the 7th, so we're not going to have it around for very long, but we definitely have some really good coupons that we can match up with this and come up with some really good Gain deals. Alright guys, so that is it for our new Dollar General digital coupons. Again, I hope you all have a wonderful, very Merry Christmas today. And before you all go, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button because we would love to have you as a part of our crazy couponing family here. And also, don't forget, leave me a Christmas present. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.